What's going on, everyone? Sorry if this is pretty shaky. I haven't used this lens in a long time, so perfect time to use it on a little road trip. This is the first long drive we're taking in the RS4, so we're going from Toronto area to Ottawa to just across the border to Quebec to pick up some wheels. So this will also be a good chance to test the car, whatever that means, but you know, put it through its paces. But anyway, we are gonna get some breakfast, hit up the bank, get some cash to buy those wheels, and hopefully we have a good drive. Yo, the tune I got, it will have a built-in crackle tune and launch control, and apparently it spits mad flames. So I think you have to be catless, but like,
yeah, if you have crackle. Here, I'm gonna throw my phone.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna figure this out.
Perfect, thank you. You too.
Thanks. Yo! We are in Ottawa. This guy's at the bank. Look at that shine though. Yeah, dang.
Chow time?
Hell yeah.
This spot is wicked.
Right?
Yeah. So by this point in the video, you guys have already seen the wheels, so there's no point trying to hide it. Today's new wheels for the car are the legendary BBS LMs. But these wheels mean a lot to me. I've been wanting a set of LMs for years, and finally was able to make this happen. And I'm so excited to be putting them on a car like this, where I think this car would really benefit from having a wheel that has this beautiful mesh face and really deep polished lip. So these wheels got a pretty cool story. This guy in Quebec, he's had them for a couple of years, and he had them on an A6 that was stanced and on bags. So to make them fit properly on his car, he did a full 3-piece conversion on all the wheels. That means he cut the original barrels and got new lips, did new bolts and nuts, and refinished the faces for his style. So for any of you guys that are watching this that already know me, you know I kind of have an addiction to getting wheels, especially wheels that have a polished lip like this. And you can see these wheels got a really nice polished lip. They do definitely need to be cleaned, so I'm gonna do that right now. So these wheels are 20 by 9.5 plus 35. They were originally, it says over here somewhere, 20 by 8.5 plus, what is that, 30 something, I don't know. They've been refinished, so after the 3-piece conversion they become plus 35, and they've been widened. They're currently on 255/30/20 Ventus V12 Evo tires, so quite a bit of stretch, but they actually are the same rolling overall diameter as those wheels, so the speedometer, everything should be correct. The stance should be pretty similar, I think. I think the fitment is a little bit weaker because those have spacers, so I'm gonna try these wheels on and see what they look like. First, got to give them a nice clean. These wheels deserve a lot of love. Let me know what you guys think about the gold and the polished lip after I put them on the car. I'm thinking next year I will probably refinish these, but for that I've got to take the tires off. So I'm going to end up roasting these tires and deciding what color to redo the face in, and if I need to make the lips bigger to resize for that car. So let's clean these up. Just an update, these are another set of wheels that I just got. So these are going to be my winter setup. These are Audi S5 rotors. These are 19x9 plus 33, really sought after wheels, and you can see how cool they are with the concave. The rotor face is probably my favorite OEM wheel design, and these have some pretty new Nexen 255 35 19 winter tires. Really excited to be putting these on the car eventually. I actually would love to run them right now on this car, but these are on the winter tires, so I can't really run them right now. But yeah, between those S5 rotors, these BBS LMs, and these BBS REs, and the black CHRs, don't forget about those. Between those, I've got too many wheels for this car. I'm actually going to be selling these as well as the black CHRs. So if you guys are local to the GTA, hit me up on Instagram and we'll work something out. Looking forward to is cleaning mesh wheels again. So annoying to clean, but man, they look good. They look pretty good right now. I will have to refinish them at some point. Polish the lips for sure. Gold might grow on me. I think it might look okay. Here's a look of the car with the LMs. You can see the fitment's actually pretty good. I did have to use the 10mm spacers all around because with the offset of these wheels, they were kind of sunk in a little bit. So I used the same 10mm spacers I had on the other set of BBSs, and especially at the front. I'm not sure how well you can see that here, but the brake clearance is really tight, and that's with the 10mm spacer. So definitely needed that. I'm still not sure about the gold. Okay, so it's actually been a few weeks since I've had these wheels on the car, and I think the gold looks alright. It's still taking its time to grow on me. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the gold, especially on the gray of the car. I gotta say, the whole car, the whole look right now with the lip kit and the wheels and the tint and everything's coming together. This is exactly what I was hoping to have with this build. You can kind of see with the wheel specs and the spacers, it's got like really good offset right now. It could use a little bit less, so it could poke out a little more, but you can kind of see the wheel just poking out from the side there. There you go, there's that booty shot. Looks sick if you ask me. LMs, these are one of my dream wheels. These are probably my all-time favorite dream wheels. These are wheels I've been wanting for a long time. I'm super fortunate to have these. This is crazy. I don't even have the words to talk about this. I've always wanted an RS4 Avant. Got it. Always wanted LMs. Got it on the car. And I couldn't be happier. This looks so sick. The only downside to me, of course, are these tires. I'm not a fan of stretch fitment. I had it before on the BRZ. I'll put a picture on the screen right now how that used to look. These are 255 30/20s on a 20x9.5 plus 35 with a 10mm spacer that makes it basically plus 25. And these are the tires that were on the wheels that I got from the last owner, so they're really old. They need to be replaced. So you guys can give me suggestions if I can go with something that'll still fit and not rub, but not be as stretched. I'm okay with a little bit of stretch, but this is like, you can see the whole, there you go, look at that, that's crazy. Like so much of the lip is showing there. I prefer something a little more moderate, you know. I'm over the crazy stance life and kind of looking for something a little more functional and daily. So there we go. Don't want to make this video too long, so let's wrap it up here. Got the wheels on the car. These are, again, like I said, one of my dream wheels. I'm super excited to have these on the car. So I'm super happy I got the deal I did. I definitely will need to refinish them. The lips need to be polished. The faces need to be powder coated. If you guys have any suggestions, drop a comment down below what color you think would look really good on this car. This car is Daytona or Dolphin Gray. I don't know, one of those, but I think either a polished face or a silver or a gunmetal face will actually look really, really good on this car. Drop a comment down below. I want to see what you guys think about what I should do for the color of the wheels. And coming next for this car, I've got the head unit install. I've taken out the Japanese head unit. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to tell here, but there's nothing here anymore. I've been using this Bluetooth speaker to listen to music because the Japanese head unit was totally useless. The wiring is all mangled up and I've got to get that sorted out from an audio shop, so should be having that done soon. I gotta do the flap delete and tune. That's gonna wake up this car a lot. This car, I've heard like the reviews of that tune, this car is a monster after that, so I'm super excited to try that. So hopefully we get all that done within the month of September. It's been a really busy couple weeks for me with work and everything, so the uploads have been slacking a bit, but got some stuff coming for the RS4 for sure. Got a lot of stuff coming for the BRZ. Stay tuned. There's a couple videos in the queue already that I'm working on that are gonna get uploaded in the next little while. So yeah, if you guys want to see that kind of content, drop a comment down below, hit that sub and hit like. It helps my channel grow and gets videos pushed out to the algorithm a little bit more. So definitely appreciate all the support. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys next time. Peace out.